Evening from the office of the mob, Justice Football. Your advocate is back, it's back, it's back, and the content must be able to continue. As you are aware, I've taken almost 7 days break on TikTok, but nonetheless, the work must continue. Next match, it's on Saturday, the 19th of April 2025 at First National Bank Stadium in South Africa, and the kickoff time is going to be 1800 in South African time or Central Africa time. But in terms of GMT, which is used in CAF, this game is going to start at exactly 1600. So that's how it is. So I just wanted us to clarify and analyze this graphic design, because we see that the flag of Orlando Pirates Football Club has remained there on top of FNB Stadium. That is clear. That means that Orlando Pirates are going to the final and are going to be crowned the CAF Champions League. Okay, let's come here. This is the out layer where supporters go through the stadium and go and enter the field. As you can see that the surface, it's really uneven. Seems like there was a battle that really happened, because you can see that the surface, this pothole that happened, there's a lot of things that was happening. It's a battle that really took place at FNB Stadium. And here, this is what is happening after the game. We are aware that the Egyptians in the ancient time, they used to use the koposh sword to fight their battle. But here, we see that the swords are outside the facility. How many swords are there? 1, 2, 3. It's 4 plus 2, it's 6. So these koposh swords are outside the facility. The biggest question is, where are the owners? The owners are dead. The owners has been defeated and their swords are out there. You can see that there's blue color which represent pyramids, and there is a red color which represent Al Ahly. So exactly as you can see, the Al Ahly flag is on the first, meaning that the Mamelodi Sundowns game is starting, meaning that Al Ahly is already defeated by Mamelodi Sundowns. And here comes the pyramid. They also surrendered their flag of blue, meaning that their sword is out. This is a clear message, South African. In a simple, street way, we say Phambili a war to all the South African teams. You are aware that Zamalek is also playing as well. You are aware that Mamelodi Sundowns is also on the CAF semi-finalist. You are aware that Orlando Pirates is also on the CAF semi-finalist. So we are just saying, Phambili a war, South African. Let's go for them, even with their corporate sword. We are going to defeat them and we are going to be the champion. Once a Pirates, always a Pirates. This is not the first time where we include our teams from South Africa in our graphic. If you remember the one where we were at the ship, there were 3 teams inside that submarine heading through the Egypt. So we did it first in beat Mekelja. We beat that team Esperance, the Tunisia as well. Now this one is a straightforward. Tickets are selling at 60 Rand if you want to support Mamelodi Sundowns at Loftus on same Saturday. Tickets are selling at 20 Rand. Don't judge them. Don't judge them. Don't judge them, because there's no free entrance at this time. But it's just 20 Rand, you know. Shuminyana tse 2 tigers, ne? I mean tigers. 2 tigers, yeah, just 2 tigers, you know. But on that other side, tigers is 6 nyana. Let's go. Once a Pirates, always.